you guys, what's up? It's been a while. And when I say it's been a while, I mean it's been a while. So I'm back, or at least I hope I am. This is going to be my first video out of many that I'm going to upload in the next few days and weeks, and we'll see how this goes. This has been my passion for a long time, many years ago, and I recently, in the last year, have been kind of debating if I want to get back into it because I love it so much, and I decided to take the plunge, and this feels like starting over again, which is kind of hard. But at the same time, hopefully I still have a few of you guys here wanting to see my video. So this is going to be the first, like I said. For those of you who are new here or those of you who don't remember, my name is Yael, and this is my channel. Today's video is going to be kind of a fun one. I'm going to be trying out and demoing these products from oVertone. These are at-home coloring with really fun colors. The one I chose is Pastel Purple, which is what I want. And basically what they are is conditioners that have color embedded in them, so that when you put them on, they deposit the color onto your hair when you use it as regular conditioner, and basically you get color. So that's really fun, and it sounds like it should be easy enough, and I really hope that it works. I will be honest, I tried this a few days ago. When I was in the shower, I tried this one, but I actually didn't follow the directions exactly. And I think that's why the result is not the best. I mean, it's still nice. I really like that it has a little bit of purple. It is kind of cute, but I am going for the full-on lilac pastel-y purple color. So I want to try it again, and this time I want to do it right and follow the directions. So basically there are two different products. The first one is this coloring conditioner. This is supposed to be the first step that you do to actually get the color the first time, or the first few times until you have the desired amount of color in your hair. And then this one is the daily conditioner, and this is supposed to be for maintenance. So it has less color in it, and it's more for like a pick-me-up throughout the week. So yeah, I'm going to be trying this one out today, and let's get started. I don't know if you can tell, but I actually matched my eyeshadow with a little bit of purple, so it can look nice with the colored hair after. And this look is inspired by someone I really like watching, which is Leora. I'm gonna link her below if you don't know her. She's really sweet. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get started. And first I want to put something on me so I don't ruin my clothes. So I went ahead and put a towel that I don't really care about and secured it with a clip on my shoulders just so I don't ruin anything. But basically this is meant to be, I mean, it does say conditioner, but I feel like it should be more of like a mask, because you're supposed to put it on dry hair, which is what I did in the last time. Last time I was really excited to use it, and I already got in the shower and already wet my hair, and then I realized that it's supposed to go on dry hair, which is why it didn't work out fully. So we're gonna try it out today the right way. So basically when you get it, it comes like this with a protective layer, and this is what the conditioner looks like. To me this smells a lot like rosemary, which is not bad. It's just very earthy and like plant-y, if that makes sense. So be aware of that, and it does stay in your hair. Like from the last time that I did it, I know that it stayed at least 2 days in my hair, like smelling like that, until I washed it again. So definitely be aware of that. So basically what you're meant to do is just use it as regular conditioner. So just take it, put it on your hair, and then let it stay on your hair for 10 to 15 minutes. They say that the longer you leave it, the more color it's going to deposit. I did get the pastel purple, so it's still gonna stay light no matter what I do. I guess it can vary, but it's still gonna be pastel. They do have different intensities. They have like a regular and then like an intense, so that's like if you want to go full on color, and they have a million colors basically. So this is the one I chose. They do say that it's preferable to put it with gloves. I know that I will not be able to tolerate doing that with gloves because I really hate gloves, but it will stain probably, So just be aware of that if you don't want to use gloves. I also do have a ton of hair. Like, it is very, very thick and there's a lot of it. So I'm guessing I'm going to need a big amount of this, especially because my hair is dry, like they ask. So I'm not sure if this will last me more than one time, this tube. I did get more than one, but it might be like a full tube for my hair. I have no idea. Let's go ahead and see. This feels so wrong, oh my god. And it's so bright. I know it's not gonna come out like this, but this is scary. Okay, so I've used about half of this tube, so that's not too bad. I mean, I have a ton of hair. Somebody that has a little bit less hair could probably get 3 uses out of this. And right away I can tell that it's not gonna be 100% even. It was really hard to get to every little crevice, even like after brushing and everything. And also it definitely stains. So, I mean, if you want to put gloves on when you do this, it would probably be best. I really hate gloves, like I said, so I didn't, but hopefully this comes off in the shower. And yeah, now I'm gonna let it sit for, they say 10 to 15 minutes. I'm gonna do 20 just in case. I do really want the color to really stay. So now the waiting game begins. Okay, so I'm back. I waited 20 minutes, washed my hair in the sink, and then attempted to blow dry it a bit. It's still a little damp, so I'm going to now try to style it with a straightener and then see the full impact of the color. But I do really like how it's looking. The color is exactly the shade that I wanted, but like I said before, you can tell that it's not completely even. You can still see like the strands of my hair that are darker. Basically it adhered to everything that was like fully blonde, but then anything that was like darker than that, then it sort of left dark. I have this straightener here from Hair Fetish, and I'm just gonna attempt to curl my hair. This is really hard for me, so I hope this actually works out, but let's try that. Okay, so after attempting to do this for a few minutes, I'm gonna give up. But I did manage to get like a few curls here and there, and it did dry my hair, and it does look really nice. The hair is super shiny, which I like, because this treatment is actually supposed to be also like an actual treatment. so I can definitely see it on my hair because it looks really nice. And I do really like the color, and honestly, even though there are parts of my hair that didn't get colored, I think it kind of matches like nicely and it works in a way. So yeah, I do really like this. I think it's a good product. It was pretty easy. Sucks about the staining, but I mean, that's kind of my fault. And I look forward to trying the daily conditioner out to see how it actually holds up with the color. If you want to see an update on that, then follow me on Instagram. I'll try to do like a story or something. I'm gonna list that right here. So this is pretty much it for this video. I am really happy with the result, and overall I'm happy being back here on YouTube making videos. This has always been a passion of mine, and I'm happy to get back into it. Let me know what you guys think of this video and what else you want to see from me, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!